Hello ice cream friends, it's Chris with Slices Concession, and this weekend I brought this Taylor 152 home. It's a 115 volt machine. It's going to run on your regular household electricity, just on a 20 amp breaker, works just great. And we want to do a little fun thing here, during the lockdown or whatever you want to call it. We did some pineapple Dole Whip yesterday and took it down the end of the driveway, sat it on the table for our friends to come and grab some, and just had a fun time doing that. We got to see some of our friends from a distance, and so what we're going to do today is just kind of do what we call a stress test on this machine and see how many servings we can get out of it before the product starts to get a little soupy or runny. What we've got in it today is the mango version of the Dole Whip, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll start out here. So we got these little bathroom cups. They're about the size of a small ice cream cone. And what we're doing here is just, the point of this is to do it back to back and just see at what point we're no longer able to get servings out of there. So we got 3 so far. 4. 5. 6. Seventh one. So what's happened now is the mix from the hopper up here in the top of the machine, it hasn't refilled the barrel, so I couldn't get any more out of it. So I got 6 small cone servings before it just stopped coming out, and that's what the volume is on these. They're not meant to do really big things. So we're talking like burger shops. Little food trucks, even concession stands, things like that are the target for machines like this, and it's just a great thing. We're looking to just add ice cream to your business. So if you have questions about ice cream or slushes, frozen beverages, any sort of frozen dessert related things, we're the ones to help you out. You can find us at www.slicesconcession.com. Thanks and have a great day.